So UCIC Julius Malema is no longer saying that EFF is Umkhwanazi and Umkhwanazi is EFF. Now UCIC is saying Guti Umkhwanazi is the one who created this mess. Segui mess, man. And Umkhwanazi has no right to be calling shots. Umkhwanazi need to make himself available when he's needed with commission. EFF is no longer fighting for Umkhwanazi, but the EFF is now fighting, or it seems to be fighting against Umkhwanazi. Never thought the EFF is the one that would make people view Umkhwanazi as someone who's difficult to comply and as someone who's difficult to work with in general. Because if bazuthi Umkhwanazi masimdinga mela bekhona, we don't care ukuthi yena upusha iphi agenda, but if he's needed by the commission, he has to avail himself, because we are in this mess because of him. That should tell you that it's no longer about him. Maybe those dockets, one of them, maybe likhona igama laka CIC, and maybe in those dockets, maybe abangani baka CIC, they are exposed in ways that we never could have imagined. And maybe, just maybe, u-X or uXolani lo wakusizokuthola, because if I remember, there was this one time he was fighting with Julius Malema when he made a bus drag at a house of someone who was an EFF member, and Julius Malema did not like that, and Julius Malema protected that person. So just maybe, in this drug cartel, maybe the CIC is there. It's just maybe. Because of Naxega's Shinjela manje. But even if it is not proven ukuthi lento eshiwo Umkhwanazi right, even if they say ukuthi Umkhwanazi was wrong, even if they say Umkhwanazi it was just allegations, even if they say these dockets are one annex that is fruitful, even if they can say that Umkhwanazi usiqambele sonke amanga, let me just tell you this. I still believe Umkhwanazi. Noma bangathi i-outcome yale commission it shows ukuthi Umkhwanazi has lied to the public, okusalayo mina ngithi I still believe Umkhwanazi, because where there is smoke there is fire, and we all know ukuthi there's corruption happening in these political parties. We all know that. And maybe Umkhwanazi makuthiwa unamanga, it only means that he does not have enough evidence to back himself up. Kodwa iqiniso liyohlezi kuyiqiniso. Babolile labantu laba.